Namaste. This is Virender, a disciple of that great man, Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy. Beloved friends, today I am interested to let you know about the great man, Manavratna, Padbhushan, Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, his hobbies and his passions. All of you know that he is a great entrepreneur, great businessman, a great philanthropic personality who has really served the mankind with various capacities. In every area he has done tremendous job like Ratan Tata has done. Today, dear friend, I will let you know about his passion for tennis. Mr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, Manavratna Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy was born in Nellore. Right from childhood he has a lot of passion for his fitness. Initially he started playing volleyball, and slowly when he came to Hyderabad, set up his all industries, hotels and infrastructure, everything else, he really started going to tennis to Sikandrabad club because he loved tennis so much. Even when he was in America for near about 18 years, he used to go to various clubs and used to play tennis. Tennis is his heartbeat. Without tennis, he cannot have rest and a lot of other physical activities. But when he was in Hyderabad, he used to go to Sikandrabad club, and there was a lot of commotion because most of the time if people are greedy, selfish, there was sometimes a lot of fight. They wanted to play first and they wanted to play second. So as he is a profound great man, he wants absolute peace of mind, tranquility, serenity, happiness and joy, his permanent shelter, a man with absolute positive mental attitude. He used to come back without playing tennis because tennis is place for fitness and pleasure, not to see people fighting that who will play first. Then there were a lot of players in that Sikandrabad club, Mr. Ramchandra Rao, Mr. Brijwara Krishna Reddy, Mr. Rama, and so many great friends. They were also playing in Sikandrabad club. One of the great men of India, Dr. Gangadhar Reddy, son of Mr. K. Brahmanda Reddy, he was also there. So he requested them, if he starts a tennis court in his own house, would you be there coming and playing? Ball will be free, ball was will free, the best maintained tennis court, no parallel in India. They all agreed because that was in Banjara Hill Road number 1, they are in that vicinity. So he created a wonderful tennis court in his own campus. At the front near his gate, GVK House, and that I have named GVK Century Tennis Club because all people are more than 80 and it is only my sincere prayer to the Lord, the God, that they should live more than 100 years. And they will because they are so fit. Look at personified fitness because they are very positive people. Mind is serene, calm, composite. They appreciate everyone, they love everyone, they find divinity in everyone, always positive because mental condition only makes our body also very strong. So that's the reason he started his own tennis court and last for near about 40 years he has been playing tennis. His permanent partner is Miss Rama, who is always his partner, and with partnership of Miss Rama, he has been always a champion in the tennis court. So that is the passion of Manavratna Padbhushan Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy for tennis. And you will be surprised to know that when he saw that in Sikandrabad club, people were not very cordial and they were greedy to play first and second and there was a lot of commotion, a lot of negativity. He did not only create one tennis court in his house, but two tennis courts in Taj Deccan. And another tennis court, third one in that Taj Krishna. Another one. In every project you will find a lot of tennis courts. And he supplies balls and all the amenities and facilities to his ball boys. Even the ball boys are well dressed, like you can see Wimbledon or French Open. Well dressed, shoes, socks, shorts, t-shirts, all branded GVK. Dear friends, it's my proud privilege that the caps which I am wearing is also a gift from him. He gives us t-shirts, shorts and everything. So that is the passion of Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy for tennis. 30th of January, which is the Martyrs' Day in India, he has invited all his friends who have been playing tennis for 4 decades and he has a combined photography session was there. So that reminded me that I should also talk something about his passion for tennis. In the next subsequent chapters, I will tell you my relationship with him, Miss Rama relationship with him in tennis, Sania Mirza, and so many other parts I will be covering in this lecture. So thank you and namaste. Thank you.